everyone, it's me, Lauren, with APQS. I am an APQS sales rep and educator here in the Central Florida area at Bold Notion Quilt Shop, and I'm excited to share with you guys a quick little tutorial today for something fun that you can quilt along on your long arm quilting machine. Let's take a look. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure to share on other social platforms like Instagram and Facebook, and be sure to like and subscribe and click the little bell so you get notifications as new videos come out. Thank you all for joining me today. Again, I am Lauren Jackson, APQS sales rep in Central Florida and educator, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.